If you want to look like the hottest version of yourself, then you need to try the It Girl Makeup Glam. I've been seeing this makeup look all over my Pinterest and I've been dying to try it, so I did. And let me tell you, it is the easiest look that you could recreate and it looks good every single time. Let me show you how I did it. First step is always going to be skincare. Make sure that your skin is nice and hydrated before you apply any other product onto it. I'm going in with the Rhode Glazing Milk. It just sits really nice with the rest of your makeup and gives you that really nice hydration. In order to achieve that beautiful flawless base, we need to do the under painting technique, and that is really easy to master. I'm gonna go in with the Glossier. This is the Balm Concealer, and I am just gonna apply that where I think I need it most, which is underneath the eyes. Gonna drag that out kind of to give me lifting effect. I have a little bit of a breakout, so I'm gonna apply some here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let this concealer sit for a little bit. Whilst it sits, I'm gonna do my contour, and I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade 01. And for this, I'm gonna apply it to the forehead, on the cheek, the jawline. Of course, we can't forget the nose. I'm gonna blend this using a beauty blender. Otherwise, I blend it a little bit different. I use this little square brush from Kylie Cosmetics, and I just tap that in. And see how brightening this concealer is, and it blends out really nice. I still see a couple spots that are coming through, so for that I'm going to use a little bit of a thicker concealer, and on the brush I'm just gonna tap it over. And for the contour, I'm just gonna literally tap that in just as it was with the concealer. Blend out my nose contour as well with the same brush. Now I'm gonna quickly blend spot conceals that I did. The spots have disappeared. By the way, for this one, I used the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. That one is really good. It's got a really nice thick consistency. When it comes to the blush, we need to do something that's gonna give you that bronzy finish. And I think that this shade from Rhode is the perfect one. This is the shade Freckle. And look at how cute that is. It's kind of like a burnt orange shade. And it's just gonna give us that nice bronzy look without looking like blush too much, I guess. It's like a blush and a bronzer combined. You see that? It is really beautiful. We're gonna set everything into place, and I'm going in with the It Cosmetics loose powder. Make sure that when you do this, you blend out the under eye first, and when you're looking up, just go in with the powder. With this, you can also bring it around your mouth, some on your forehead as well. I'm gonna go in with this is like a blush bronzer. This is also from Jane Iredale. I really like this one because it just gives you that really flawless looking finish to your cheek. It also gives it a nice little glow, as you can see. I actually have these Jane Iredale eyeshadow sticks that I've been dying to try, so we're gonna try them out together today. I'm going in with the shade Alabaster for the base. Then for kind of the transition shade, I'm gonna go in with this one. It's the shade Dove Gray. And I'm gonna blend that outward. I'm grabbing the shade Midnight, and with this super flat brush, I'm gonna actually apply it on the brush instead of going onto my eye, just because I want it to be a sharper look. And just follow your natural eye shape. Okay, now that both eyes are done, you want to go ahead and curl your eyelashes. Next, you want to use your favorite mascara. Mine is the Yves Saint Laurent. This one is amazing. It sits so nicely on the lashes. I mean, look at the difference. This is all one coat of mascara. For the lips, we're going to keep it really minimal. I'm going in with the Lawless Their lip liner in the shade Pink Slip. I just darkened the edges a little bit with the Glossier lip liner in the shade Bit. Define the lips a little bit more. Now to finalize everything, we're going to finish with a gloss, and this right here is probably the best thing I've ever used. It's the Yves Saint Laurent Candy Glaze in the shade 02, and it just plumps the lips. That is it. You are done. This is probably one of the easiest glams that you could honestly recreate, and when I tell you will look good every time, you will look good every single time.